Okay, I will show you a basic, very simple arm style for your Samba Botofogo. So keep your arm here, elbow, squeeze your waist, and now do with the hips rhythm bounce. R5, R6, R7, R8. Now from here, as you cross your leg, your left arm slowly going to your shoulder. This is count 1. And now here, your leg, very, very fast movement to the side, and arm pointing forward, very, very fast. R2, finishing with the hip action. Good. Now from here, as you cross your arm slowly, going to your shoulder. 3, very good. And now this, as fast as this leg goes side, and this arm will go immediately, same time, up on count R4. And this arm with me. I will hold this arm later for you. So you go it again. 1, R2, 3, R4, 5, R6, 7, R8. Next one. When you're gonna go to Volta, watch your arm gonna go over your head. 1, 2, to your shoulder. R34. Let's move back a little bit. No, I want you to stay here. Do it here. Yeah. Again. This arm here. Go a little bit back. Yes. Go ahead. R5, R6, R7, R8. Squeeze with these two fingers your waist. Make it as small as possible. And this elbow, like very sharp, pointed here. Now, as you cross this leg, slowly put your arm on your shoulder. 1. Now, on count R, as this leg goes side, this arm going up. R2, crossing. 3. Yeah, okay, one second. Yeah. 7, R8. So you're going 1, R2. Now, as this leg crossing, arm going here on your shoulder. 3, arm going up. R4. Now, as this leg crossing, same time, this arm going here. 5, fast. 6, 7, shoulder. 8. Now for Volta, as I say 1, this leg crossing, arm going behind your ear. 1, 2. Then as you cross, arm dropping down. 3, 4 on your shoulder. Now going to your waist. R5, R6, R7, R8. Arm style. Good. Thank you. This is our director,